Hey there, Casey Dimmy here, TaxSaleAcademy.com, your quick tip of the day. And today's tip is Cash for Keys. Cash for Keys is a strategy that we use as tax sale investors for dealing with occupants of a tax sale property. Let's face it, when you buy a tax sale property that has a structure on it of some sort, there is a chance that it will be occupied. Now, it could be occupied by tenants of the former owner, or it could be occupied by the former owner themselves. But the deal is you have to figure out how to get them out of the property unless, of course, you want to work out some sort of arrangement for them to stay. But most people will want them out of the property. And since there's an eviction process, and there's a legal process that you have to go through in order to get them out of the property, a lot of people will try to entice them to leave the property. They'll simply ask them, they'll say, will you leave the property? And then they'll give them a little bit of a bonus, and that is the few $100 bills. They'll say, you know, if you leave the property and you don't destroy it on your way out, here's a few $100 to help you on your way to wherever you may be headed next. And the deal is, it really shows good faith effort on the behalf of the investor. I've done this a number of times, and what will happen is you'll call them, they'll be in a panic, they don't know what to do, they don't know where to go, that kind of stuff. But if you ask them the condition of the property, they tell you about the property, and they say, listen, if you leave it in that same condition, I'll meet you out here in 2 days, 3 days, whatever you want to do, and I'll give you, $300, $400, $500, depending on how much it's worth to you specifically as an investor. Sometimes you might be able to get away with $100, but $200, $300, $400, that shows really good faith on the part of the investor. And a lot of times when the occupant is moving out, they're going to need that money and they won't want to destroy that property. So it's a strategy that you might want to try the next time you purchase an occupied tax sale property. That's all I've got for you today. For more information on tax sale investing, head on over to TaxSaleAcademy.com. Take care. Bye-bye.